Yes, today we shall study class 9th language and literature chapter 1st, the fun they had. The story we shall read is set in future, when books and schools as we now know them will perhaps not exist. Dear students, we study through books, through human teachers, and there is every possibility that in future all these things may be a thing of the past. They no longer exist because the technology is changing very rapidly and education is not an exception to it. In the field of education also there have been some massive changes and which is affecting the life of students as well. So the diagram below gives you some ideas about what will be the future course of education. Learning through computers. It is quite evident that in the future computers, laptops are playing a very important role in learning and education, and their role will not be diminished at all. In future their importance will increase. Similarly, the virtual classrooms. The classrooms that we have today are just based on blackboard and teachers students interaction, but in future there may be smart boards, smart classrooms, virtual classrooms where the proceedings of the one classroom can be teleported to the other parts of the world. Similarly, the teachers can also be changed. There can be robotic teachers in future, the mechanical teacher who gives lesson through computers as well, and then the moving to e-text can also be possible in near future. So in pairs we have to discuss three things that you like most about this school system and three things that you would like change in the present school system. So now here let's study our chapter. Margie, that's wrote in her diary entry. That diary entry is dated 17th May 2157. That is almost 150 years from now on. On that day, Margie writes in her diary. What's the diary entry of Margie? Today Tommy found a real book. The diary entry is that the Tommy found a real book on that page of the diary. It was the old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. So it came to the knowledge of Margie that their great grandfather used to tell that there was a time when everything was written on a piece of paper and the books were written on paper and all the stories were printed on paper. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on the screen, and when they turned back to the page before, they had the same words on it that they had when they read it for the first time. So books the pages didn't change like telebooks where when the words were scrolled on the screen, but on the piece of paper all the words were written and you have to turn over leaf in order to reach to the next page, and it was very different from the rolling of the words on the screen. Guy said, Tommy, what a waste. When you were through with the book, when you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had millions of books on it. That's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Tommy wants to inform Margie that you don't throw it away after reading the book. The books, the telebooks, which were stored millions of books in the computer, and they don't throw it away. But the book that was on the print of paper, when you read it all, then you might throw it away. Same with mine, said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. So Margie was of 11 years old and Tommy was of 13 years old, and definitely Tommy was very experienced and he had seen many books. She said, "Where did you find it?" "In my house," he pointed without looking because he was busy reading. "In the attic." Without any pointing above, without any interest, he said that I found this book from the attic. What about it? What is the contents of the book that was found? Schools. The book was written about schools, school system. Margie was scornful. Schools? What's there to write about schools? I hate schools. Margie did not like this topic at all because she hated school. She did not like the school system and the way she was taught in the school. Margie said, always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head scornfully and sent for the county inspector. This was the reason Margie did not like her mechanical teacher, because her mechanical teacher was giving her test after test in geography and her performance was abysmally poor in all the tests. And ultimately, mother of Margie had to take the mechanical teacher to the county inspector for necessary mending, for necessary correction. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple and then took the teacher apart. County inspector was a small man, a little man with a red face, and he was of jolly nature. He smiled and also gave an apple to Margie and took the mechanical teacher apart in order to make the necessary correction. Margie had hoped that wouldn't know how to put it together, but he knew how all right. And after an hour or so, there was again large and black ugly with big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That wasn't too bad. The part Margie hated most was slot where they had to put the homework. So mechanical teacher knew, rather county inspector knew very well how to make correction in the mechanical teacher, and after an hour he came back with mechanical teacher. It was all corrected and the screen was also lit up and the words were also displayed on the screen of mechanical teacher. The thing which Margie did not like at all was the slot where they had to put the homework and the test papers. She always had to write them out in punch code, and they made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. So they had to write out all the answers in a punch code and had to submit all the work on the space provided in the mechanical teacher. And without any waste of time, mechanical teacher used to calculate, or rather evaluate, the answer scripts and allot the marks. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, after making correction in the mechanical teacher, county inspector came and patted on Margie's head and said to her mother, "It was not little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geographical sector was geared a little too quick." It was not the fault of Margie at all, because there was error in the mechanical teacher itself, because it was geared a bit too fast for an average 10-year-old students. I think geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. I've slowed it up to an average 10 years level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory, and he patted Margie's heads again. So Margie's performance was quite satisfactory. The fault was only in the hardware of the mechanical teacher, because It was geared too fast in geography sector for an average 10 years old girl. So he patted on the head of Margie again. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teachers away together. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because history sector had blanked out completely. Margie was not happy at all because she did not want to learn from the mechanical teacher. There was also a time when Tommy's teacher was also taken away from him for almost 1 month because history sector of the mechanical teacher was blanked quite completely. So she said to Tommy, why wouldn't anyone write about school? So she asked Tommy, why was there any need to write about school at that time? Tommy looked at her and very superior eyes, because it's not kind of a school, stupid. This is the old kind of schools that they had hundreds and hundred years ago. Tommy informed Margie that the schools at that time were quite different. Centuries ago, the schools were quite different. It were not this kind of school, rather it were the old kind of schools that were prevalent centuries and centuries ago. He added loftily, pronouncing the words carefully, centuries ago. He pronounced these words very carefully. Centuries ago, the school system was quite different. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of schools they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulders for a while and then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Margie did not have any idea what kinds of schools were in centuries ago, but she believed that there must be teachers in the old schools as well. Sure, they had teachers, but wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Definitely, there were also teachers in the old time, in the old school houses, but they were not that kind of teachers that were prevalent nowadays, that is robotic or mechanical teachers were not there. Rather, human teachers, man. The teacher at that time was a man. A man, how could man be a teacher? So Margie was surprised. How is it possible that a human can become a teacher? Well, just told boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them about questions. The human teachers at that time used to impart knowledge, give knowledge to the boys and girls, and used to give them homework and also ask plenty of questions. A man wasn't smart enough. So Margie was thinking that a man of that kind definitely be very smart, very knowledgeable, very informative. And sure he is, my father knows as much as my teachers. And definitely the teachers at that time were very knowledgeable people and had plenty of knowledge as his grandfather. Knows almost as much, I betcha. Margie was not prepared to dispute that. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. Margie believed that the teachers used to come in the house and used to teach the students there. She was believing that. Tommy screamed with laughter. After that, Tommy was very amused at this idea and had a laughter. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. He said that the school at that time were conducted in a particular schoolhouse or school building, and all the kids of the same age group used to go there in order to learn. And all the kids learned the same thing. Sure, they were of the same age. So all the kids used to learn the same things because all the kids were of the same age. But my mother says teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and each kid has to be taught differently. But mother believes that the teacher has to be adjusted according to the need and mental capacity of every student, because the mental capacity of learning of every student is different. Just the same, they don't do it that way. Then if you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. If you don't like that, you don't need not read the book. I don't say I don't like it, Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. She did not say that I don't like it, but I want to know more about the school system of the old time. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called. Margie schools, their talking was not finished when there was a call from the mother side. That's Margie, now the school time. Margie looks up, not yet, Mama. Now, said Mrs. Jones, it's probably time for Tommy too. Mrs. Jones said that it's the time for Tommy to come for the school. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? So Margie told Tommy that, can I read more about the school systems after this school? Maybe, he said nonchalantly. He walked away whistling and dusty old books tucked beneath his arms. Without showing any interest or enthusiasm, Tommy said that, okay, maybe, and then whistlings and tucked his book in his arm and went away. Margie went to the schoolroom. Margie also went to the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. The mechanical teacher was, or rather the school was next to her bedroom, and mechanical teacher was waiting for Margie and the lesson to be started. It always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Every day the mechanical teacher used to teach her at regular time, at an appointed time, except Saturday and Sunday. Because her mother said little girls learned better when they learned at the regular hours. Because the mother of Margie believed that the girls learned better if they learned quite regularly at an appointed time. So knowledge is fortified, is very strong if we learn quite regularly. The screen was lit up and it said, today's arithmetic lesson on addition of proper fraction. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. So the screen of the mechanical teacher was again lit up and it says that today the arithmetic lesson has to be started on addition and proper fractions, and your yesterday homework has to be put on the proper slot. Margie did so with a sigh. With a heavy heart, Margie submitted her yesterday's homework. She was thinking about the old schools that they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. Margie did, but she was always thinking about the old school system when their grandfather's grandfather had plenty of fun, and they used to study in the school building and old kind of schools. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard. So all the children of the whole neighborhood used to go to the schoolhouse laughing and shouting, having fun, learning together, playing together, having food together, and when the school finished, they used to come together merrily and very joyfully. Sitting together in this room, going together in the end of the day, they learned the same thing so they could help another with homework and talk about it. So all the children used to learn the same thing, so there was every possibility that they could help each other in completing the homework. They become party in the learning lesson, and definitely school was a platform for socialization as well. Teachers were the people, and teachers were not mechanical, rather the teachers were people. The human teachers used to teach them. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. When at the fractions, there was a screen on the mechanical teacher and about that fraction. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. So Margie was thinking about that in the old days, there was plenty of fun when the students used to go together and learn it hard in the school. She was thinking about the fun they had. She was thinking that the children of the old time were having plenty of fun. We have these questions here. How old are Margie and Tommy? Margie is 11 years old and Tommy is 13 years old. What did Margie write in her diary? Margie write in her diary about the old book, that the book of 150 years ago from, and that book was written on a piece of paper, and it was about the old school system. What things about book did she find strange? The books was written on a piece of paper, and when they used to turn the pages over leaf, the same kinds of words were on display, unlike the telescreen on the screen in which the words used to scroll down. What do you think a telebook is? A telebook is on a screen in which millions and millions of books can be stored, and they have to display the contents on a screen. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Margie's school was next to her bedroom, and she did not have any classmates because she had to learn from the mechanical teacher all alone. What subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Margie and Tommy used to learn different subjects like geography, history, arithmetics, science, and plenty others. Now answer the questions with reference to the story. I wouldn't throw it away. Who said these words? These words are said by Tommy, and what does it refers to? It refers to the old book, old kinds of book that was on there. What is being compared with by the speaker? It is compared with the telebook, with the book of the screen. Old book was compared with telebook that was displayed on the screen. Sure, they had teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. Who does they refer to? They refers to grandfather, the grandfather's grandfather, their ancestors. Margie's and Tommy's ancestors were referred to as they, and there was what does regular mean here? Regular means that the mechanical teacher, robotic teacher that were prevalent at this time. Apart from this, the teachers of the old time were human teachers. What is it contrasted with? It is contrasted with the human teachers. The teachers in the old time were humans, men, and they used to display or impart their knowledge to their students. Now answer the questions in shorts. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Margie and Tommy have the mechanical teacher or the robotic teacher. These teachers teach them through a screen, and there is a slot for the homework, and evaluation is done in no time, and they are adjusted according to the mental capacity of Tommy and Margie. Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Margie's mother sent because performance of Margie was not good in geography. The mechanical teacher was giving her test after test, and performance was abysmally poor. So Margie's mother sent for the county inspector. What did he do? The county inspector changed the pace of the mechanical teacher. It adjusted him according to a student of 10 years old because it was geared too fast for a young kid. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did county inspector do to help her? Margie was not doing good in geography because the mechanical teacher was running at a very fast pace, and county inspector did the necessary correction in the mechanical teacher and adjusted him according to a student of 10 years. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? A similar things happened to the Tommy's teachers as well, when his history sector was quite blanked out. It did not display anything. So it had to be taken to the county inspector, where it took almost a month to do the necessary mending. Did Margie have regular days and hours for schools? If so, why? Margie had regular time at an appointed time, at fixed time. She had to sit near the mechanical teacher and do the learning. How does Tommy's describe the old kind of school? Tommy described the old kind of schools in which the students or the children, kids used to go together from all the neighborhood in a particular schoolhouse, where the teacher used to come, and teachers were the humans, and all the children of the same age used to sit together, learn together. They had plenty of fun together. They used to help each other in completing the homework. School was a platform, a social platform for all the students. School was also a platform to show their talent. Definitely schools at the old time were the transit camp for the future work. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? The old kind of teachers were humans. They had plenty of knowledge, and they used to give homeworks to the students, and the students used to learn from their human teachers. And definitely they were very smart, because they have had rather plenty of knowledge in order to impart the same knowledge to the students. Our next question is, what are the main features of mechanical teacher and school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? So mechanical teachers was a machine teacher, was a robot actually. Has to give lessons through the screen, and it was adjusted according to the mental capacities of the students, and their school was just by the side of their bedroom. So at an appointed time they had to go there and learn from the mechanical teacher. Why did Margie hate schools? Why did she think the old kind of schools must have been fun? Margie did not like this school system because it was quite monotonous. There was no joy, there was no platform for socialization. Margie had no companion, no friend, no classmate, or no schoolmate. She wanted this. She wanted to interact with other students. She wanted to interact with human teachers. And she was definitely thinking about that old school systems in which the children had plenty of fun.